Hello beautiful makeup lovers. Today I'm showing you how I created this look with the Norvina palette from Anastasia. The color I used are Love, Jude, Wild Child, Celestial and Drama. It's a really easy look, it's colorful, I love it, and I love how it came out. On the lips I have a liquid lipstick from Nabla. This is Berry Bite from the, I think this last Christmas collection, I'm not sure. And the only new thing I've used is this NYX pore filler. It's quite old actually. It was closed, however. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Bye. Hello beautifuls. Today is really early in the morning. I will show you how I realized this look. It was requested to me to prepare a tutorial, so let's get started. I prime my eyes. And then we are going to use the Norvina palette from Anastasia. First of all, I will start with Love. Onto the lid. In the socket, I had Soul. It is this purpley grayish. It's beautiful. I have to take my second coffee of the morning. Here are 6 o'clock, 6 and past 20 minutes after 6. I will go with a little bit of Love More on top, just to blend it better. With a flat brush, like this is from Nabla, I take Wild Child in the inner third of my eyes. On the second third, I will take Celestial. With the same brush, and they blend between the color. And finally, I take Drama and pressed on the outer edge of the eye, blending all together. I just keep picking again Celestial, just to blend with the Drama a little bit better. Okay, I would take my NYX eyeliner. The point is even worse. I think I'm going to change it. Since my eyes are watering because it's really early in the morning, the last part of the eyeliner I'll do with an eye pencil. And also I will line my waterline. Okay, let's go to the face. I have a new primer, the Pore filler from NYX. Let's see. Oh, this needs to be pressed into the pores. Actually, I don't like this kind of primer really much. They are quite greasy, and they are let me say bargling, I'm not sure it's the correct word, with a lot of foundation. So let's see how it goes with my Armani Luminous one. A little bit of concealer. I'm really tired in this period. I don't know why. I fell asleep at 10 in the evening, but I wake up really early in the morning. I love this concealer. It's magic. It cancels all of my little lines. Really beautiful. I will for sure buy again. Okay, let's go with the foundation. Okay, my powder. Look, pan is here. Here we are. Just press it into the skin. And then we go with my remaining contour from Tarte. I hope to finish it by the end of the month, because I want to try a new one. Let's blend with the powder brush. It's a little bit bigger, it's easier. And then my blush brush here. Okay. Now, just take again the small brush, the flat brush, and I will take Celestial and put it underneath my eye. On the other side. Just correct a little bit here and there with a pointed brush, a small brush like this one. I take Dreamer for the inner corner. And with a fluffy brush, I take Base to highlight the upper part of my eye. Okay, let's do my brow. As you can see, I don't like on me heavy brows. I find them lovely on all the other girls, but on me I think they are too much. So I just drawing the missing hairs because I was used to take them away when I was younger. Let's put on some mascara. I'm still using my Essence one. But I think it's quite at the end. It's becoming hard to take out from the bottle. I will try to add a few drops of tears, false tears, or contact lens liquid, but I think we are quite at the end. And I will add a little bit of Baby Roll from L'Oreal on top. I'm not really satisfied from the combination of mascara of this period, but I need to finish them before opening a new one. Okay, for the lips, I thought to wear one of my latest buy. This is from Nabla. The name is Berry Bite. Okay, you will not see them. Just contour the lips with my usual pencil. And then this is a very, very nice lip color. Here we are. This is the finished look. I hope you like it. See you soon. Bye bye.